Welcome to the channel. If you don't know, I love the Veritas Custom Plane, but I run into one issue with it where it doesn't eject the chips well enough or the shavings well enough, and I have to pull them out. And what I've been hearing from a lot of people is they put a 45-degree bevel on the chip breaker. So I am going to do that, and we're going to see if it works. Can the custom plane get better? Let's dive in. So here we go with the 55-degree frog. It looks like it is still having the issue sometimes, but not all of the time. It's definitely reduced. I feel like before, it would jam almost all the time with the 55-degree frog. And what I'm thinking is it's because they have that gigantic cap, and there's just not a lot of room for the shavings to go. So I'm not sure with the 55-degree frog if that's a chip breaker issue, or if it's just the fact that they have that beefy cap and not a lot of space between the front of the plane and that cap. I'm going to go ahead and put the 45-degree frog in this plane to see if that makes a difference. These frogs don't take long to change at all. I am pretty impressed with that. So you can just take the screws out, take the frog off, put the other one on. I use the mouth to make sure that the frog is square, and then I put the screws on, put everything back together, and you're good to go. So to me, that is a huge bonus to the custom line of planes that you can go from 45 to 55 depending on the grain that you're working. I have not tried the 40-degree frog yet, but I want to. So as you can see here with the 45-degree frog, it looks like the issue is completely eliminated. I only had it happen once in my testing, and that was because I let the mouth clog. I definitely should have cleared it way more than I did when it did that one time, but other than that, it looks like this chip breaker has solved the issue. So there you go. The custom plane just got better. So thank you for all of you that told me about this, because I didn't even know it was a thing, and I wanted to try it. I just didn't have time. I think people were telling me about it before Handworks of June of last year of 23. But I finally got to it, and I'm very happy that I did. Thank you all. For the 45-degree frog, I would say the problem is solved. It's not happening anymore. It only happened the one time because I let the mouth fill up with shavings. That's on me. With the 55-degree frog, it's not completely solved, but it did help a lot. I'm still thinking it's the cap being so, or the cap being so close to the front of the mouth that's causing things to get clogged in there. Either way, the most commonly used size is the 45 degrees. So again, I would say problem solved. The custom plane just got better. Thank you for whoever discovered this, and thank you for everybody that told me. And if you have any questions, any comments, anything like that, feel free to let us know down below. I hope you enjoyed, and have a good day.